boom, baka boom, baka boom. Hey guys, it's Skyr. But today we are gonna play Casino. We're gonna play My Talking Tom. Finally, we're gonna play My Talking Tom. But it's gonna be phone edition, so I'm gonna be okay. Can you see it? So we're gonna play My Talking Tom over here. So all the game over here and over here. There's oops. I almost forgot. Over here and over here. Just like that. We got the car game, Lego stuff, girl stuff, and dismount stuff. I mean boy stuff. Dismount, talking app, cats, and don't forget Minecraft. I don't have the Minecraft Pocket Edition yet, so let's play My Talking Tom yet. Okay. So this is named Jack. Okay, I just falling down. So let's watch. Galaxy Legend, huh? Boy, Galaxy Legend. We got coins, so we can buy stuff in the voyage. So don't use like the goofy stuff. No. I want this. It's pretty cool. I want this one. So the fur I just want the white one. So romantic date suit. I need some romantic date suit. But there's something else. Nope. I got this one. I know. Jumpsuit. Not that one, not that one. So I'm gonna use that instead. My silver eye is so awesome, so I'm gonna use that. I have my light emo hair because it's cool. Don't use that. Don't use the like a pirate UFO. I want to see how's like the UFO. Let's try it. Okay. So let's play some game. Piano Space. Oh man. Let's try that again. Oh man. Don't worry. If you can see. So let's play Connect. It's easy game. We play Connect. Every time we practice makes good, makes perfect. Like that. just automatic choosing level. So we go there, and this is gonna be easy, but it's gonna be hard because the timer is getting faster. There we go. There we go. So this is, you have to more like full page. Oh shoot. Dang it! Oh, almost had it. But the next level is gonna be two color. And then you have to straight up and slide ways because that's the way. I think that's it. So if you comment below, subscribe, like, don't forget to comment what game should I play next in my desk phone, or we could play the computer way, but choose your game. Yes, choose. But do not use the download one. So we have the PlayStation 2 one, this PlayStation 2. This 2 is gonna be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So in next time we play Talking Angela or not, you can pick anywhere. Pick any game. So I see you next time. See you later. Gonna throw you up. Sorry guys. Thanks for watching. So click this boom. This is gonna be the death of Bobo Boy, and this is gonna be Minecraft Season 3. Seriously, what? So the death is gonna be coming soon in tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. There's 3 dancers. Yaha, me, and that one. And the other one. Not again. Season 3. Remember, March 14 is gonna come out. So you're so but so your home is using the iPad now. And tomorrow we're gonna upload this video. So see you guys later. Peace.